Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be about covering a parapet wall. As you can see, we've got this old block wall. This is in a downtown area where these roofs are different properties. The property line is the wall, and the customer has purchased this narrow strip of real estate and had a new roof put on, but still had problems with leaking, and I believe the leaking was coming through the block walls which divides each building. So we discussed covering up this wall with a parapet cap trim, just using the metal. This will give it a nice good water seal rather than some foam, as you can see on the roof beside next door, or the tar flat roof that's on the other side of this building. So we took the metal hat channel girts and attached them to the wall with Tapcons. Then we went back and attached a PBR screw down metal to these metal girts. Then we come back with this custom built trim to cap the top. I hope you enjoyed this build. I hope you'll subscribe. Leave us a comment down below. Give us a thumbs up if we did a good job. And if we didn't, leave us a comment on how we could have done a better job, so my next customer will have an expert job. And we'll see you again on the next one. Until then, have some good times. Thanks for watching. ¿Qué